Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how I made more than $1,000 with Temu affiliate program. Now this method is beginner friendly, but you will need to invest some time and you will need to invest some work. So if you're not willing to invest time and work, then I'm afraid this method is not for you. I'm just being honest. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google and you need to search trending Temu products and press enter. And then here you can see top trending sold on Temu United States. Click here and here you can see what are the trending sold products on Temu in United States. And here you can see, of course, it is clothes. So what you actually need to do, you need to see what are the patterns. Yes, it is clothes, but what kind of clothes? Here you can see, for example, this is a crop top, and this is also a crop top. So basically, crop top is the best-selling product on Temu in United States at this point. So what you need to do, you actually need to write an article about this. So what you need to do, you simply need to go on Chat GPT. And you need to say something like this. Give me ideas for my article about crop tops, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give you idea for that article. As you can see, introduction, what is a crop top? Here you can see history and evolution. I actually don't need this part. And here you can see types of crop tops and so on and so on. So now you need to tell it to actually write you an article. And I will say something like this, for example, write me an article about 5 best styling crop tops, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will write an article about 5 best crop tops, okay? Here you can see this is the first one, this is the second one, now it will write about third one, and so on and so on. But this is really important. I would strongly suggest you to rewrite this article that ChatGPT wrote for you. Because many of these big websites, many of these big companies, they actually don't like AI written articles. And it can easily happen that you will be banned. So that is why I'm strongly suggesting to rewrite this article so it looks like it was written by a real human being, okay? But for the purpose of this video, I will use the article as it is, okay? As ChatGPT wrote it, okay? So what I need to do, I actually need to copy this title, okay? And I need to publish this article somewhere, and I will actually publish that article on a website called vocal.media. Vocal.media allows Temu affiliate links. So I will click here on create a story. Of course, you first need to register, okay? And registration is 100% free. It is simple, it is easy. Here I need to give it a title. Okay, here you can see I added a title. 5 best ways to style tops for a trending look. Here I need to add a subtitle. Now it is important to add your main keyword in the title and also in subtitle, because in that way you will increase your chances to rank this article on first page on Google. So now I need to give it a subtitle. I will actually go here on ChatGPT and I can simply copy this, okay? This first sentence. Control C, go back here and I will paste it here. Okay, I added my subtitle. As you can see, I also included my main keyword. So now you need to write an article. I would strongly suggest you to open article with the eye-catchy image. You can either upload the image, you can embed a video, or you can use Unsplash to add an image. So I will simply search on Unsplash to see what I can find. Crop top, okay? And press enter to see what I can find, okay? So for example, let's just say I will use this image here. As you can see, it automatically added this image. So now I need to write my article. So I will simply go back here and I will actually copy this intro, Control C, go back here and I will paste that here, okay? And now I will add rest of my article, okay? So I will simply copy this, but like I said, you should rewrite this article. Do not copy and paste it. I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video, okay? And I will paste this. And now I need to add my affiliate links, my Temu affiliate links. So I will simply go here on Temu and then I will go on affiliate page, okay? So let me scroll down on the bottom, go on affiliate page. go on items, and now here I can simply search for crop top, okay? And here I can find crop tops, and I can simply click here on share. For example, if I wish to promote this one here, actually this one is not that good, so actually I will promote this one here. Click share. This is my affiliate link, my Temu affiliate link. Click here to copy. As you can see, I copied my affiliate link. Go back here on vocal.media, and for example, I will add that link here. Click on this little chain, paste it here, press enter, and that's it. I added my Temu affiliate link. And you need to add 5, in this case, 5 links to 5 different crop tops. And this is also really important. On vocal.media, you need to add an affiliate disclaimer. You need to say on the bottom of that article that this article contains affiliate links. And if someone clicks on that link and buys that product, you as an author of that article will earn an affiliate commission. That is important. If you don't do that, then your article won't be approved. That is really, really important. After that, just click here on Save Changes. And here you can see successful, okay? So let me just close this. Click here, Submit for Review, okay? And then here you need to choose a community. Choose a community, so let me find the best community. For example, styled, okay? I will choose styled. And here I need to add tags, for example, fashion, no options. You need to add something like that, okay? For example, shopping, and add some related tags. And after that, just click here on publish, and it will be actually submitted for review. And if your article follows the guidelines, it will be published. And after that, all you have to do is just start building some backlinks. Start sending some traffic from related forums, from your Instagram page, from your Threads page, from your TikTok page, Twitter page, Facebook page, Pinterest, wherever you can. Share this article to build some backlinks, to get some initial traffic, to help it rank on first page on Google. And in that way, you will start getting traffic and you will start making sales. Like I said, this method is beginner friendly. As you can see, it is really simple, really easy, but it does require some time and it does require some work. But as you can see, this actually works. You can make money with Temu affiliate marketing in 2025. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.